So guys, welcome to my channel. So as you know that हम लोग अभी लखनऊ से रोड ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं. मैं ये गाड़ी काफ़ी देर देखा था, देख के मुझे मज़ा आ गया गाड़ी. तो दिस इज़ अ फोर्स अर्बना, ये देखो, और इट्स अ टूरिस्ट व्हीकल. एंड चलिए मैं दिखाता हूँ इनके गाड़ी में मतलब क्या क्या फीचर्स है. It's kind of an amazing features which I saw, and that's the reason I thought of doing a small review for this. And let's get inside. So whenever you come, they will just this is the door gets open. This is sliding door, and something very interesting out here. मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ. I'd like to show you. The door gets locked. Okay, as you can see, these are seats. So seat आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ से. AC vents, which is quite normal, but something which I would like to ask the owner to explain क्या क्या है यहाँ पे features. तो आप बताइए इस गाड़ी में आपके मतलब आपने तो वैसे 32 लाख में लिया है गाड़ी.
Yeah, hi, I'm Sumit.
Hi Sumit ji.
From Delhi.
Sumit from Delhi. So tell me, what are the things, like how much you have invested on this and for the whole vehicle, what is the total cost and how much you have separately invested?
Yeah, sure. So first of all, thank you very much for coming to my vehicle. Actually, this vehicle belongs to Delhi, and basically we are in a travel business. So usually we travel with foreigner clients. So that's why I done this kind of modification in this vehicle, and you can feel more comfort as well as you can feel like you're not sitting in a normal force vehicle. You're sitting in a modified vehicle.
Right.
So this vehicle is not is a normal modification. We are having some different kind of modification. Like we have a body massager inside the seats.
Can you show us
yeah,
how
sure,
it works?
You can see as well. Like
See,
there is a small.
every chamber has got a
Yeah,
button,
sure.
right? Every seat has got a massager, right?
Yes, every seat having a body massager.
Oh wow,
You can
it's
feel
vibrating.
like a
It's
body
vibrating. Yeah, it's vibrating. You can feel on the back.
Apart from this, you can use this seat like push on back.
Okay, this is a
It will be done
pushback.
by,
It's all it's electronic.
Yeah, it's electronic. Each and every seat is motorized.
And also there is another one
Yeah.
that's
we
to
have a recliner
recliner.
option over here.
You can just press this.
Now you can press it for a while.
Press and hold, and
Yeah.
then here
and
you
then
go.
you can feel like you are sitting in a recliner.
Yeah, this is.
And now you can sleep as well. Like
And what about the other person who is on the back side, the other passenger?
they are also having a same thing. Like they have to do some more recline.
Okay, so they have to do a little bit more recline, right?
Yeah. So that they can use it as well. See,
Okay.
usually in this vehicle we
Uh-huh.
are having a 17 seating capacity over here, excluding driver.
Okay.
Right now we have a 13 seating capacity. So we have 8 separate seats,
Okay.
one by one. And on the back side you can see, like right now I'm going to sleep on that back. It's a kind of sofa.
Or tell me something. This one, the massage thing that you are saying, it's like centralized, like just with one button, everyone will start getting massage.
No, each and every having a separate remote controls over here. Yes.
Okay. Let me check that. Yes, guys. आप देखो यहाँ पे see, there was separate remotes on every vehicle, every compartment actually. Oh, another nice thing I just saw that
I wanted to show you, like
the
we have
refrigerator.
a refrigerator. It's not a normal refrigerator. Basically, it's kind of deep freezer. It works on a DC unit, and here you can see the water bottle.
Wow, it's a chilled water.
Yeah, it's a chilled.
It's chilled water.
Yeah. So it works. It goes around minus 22 degrees.
Oh, really? And what are the features of that you have got in your car? Like the vehicle features, like comfort zone, convenience.
Comfort. See, I can't say anything about the comfort zone. Like, if I am telling you something, you can't understand. So I am telling you, you just come and sit over here and make a small trip with us, and then you can feel
I'm talking
comfort
about
zone.
You driving the vehicle. How do you like this vehicle? Like,
Yeah, it's an awesome vehicle. It's an awesome vehicle.
Awesome.
Yep.
And what kind of suspension it has?
It's a hydraulic suspension over here.
Hydraulic suspension. Okay, so what's your tourist and travels name?
Basically, I'm having my own company. The company name is Kesar Holidays and Travels.
Kesar Holiday. I think we have seen that board somewhere, right? Kesar Holiday.
No, that is Kesar Holidays, and my company name is Kesar Holidays and for Nest, then
And for-
Travels. Kesar Holidays and Travels.
Kesar Holidays and Travel. You have it on Google?
No, I didn't have any Google account over here right now.
Okay.
But the good thing is I am in this field from last, I think, I started in this from 2006.
Mhm.
So I'm having a very good clientage over here.
Awesome. I wish you all the best, and I'm definitely going to post this video on my
Sure.
channel so that you can also get some more.
Yeah, if
good
anybody
clients.
wants to see Rajasthan, as well as people who who are really keen interested to see the snow in a Kulu Manali trip, and we have a customized trips over there. Like if you are having a marriage and if you are keen interested to do a honeymoon, like we are also customized you a tour
Oh.
for a honeymoon package also.
Awesome. And how much do you charge for a trip to
So it depends on a.
Do you have a minimum travelers that has to go?
Yeah, we are having so many travels over here. We have small cars over there.
Okay, you have got different customized. Not only this, you also have other vehicles also.
We have the another one.
But
also.
what really attracted me was the interiors that you have designed. बहुत ही सही है. It's amazing.
Yeah, I
It
spent
has got
more
the safety features also, for every vehicle that we have for
One more thing I wanted to
emergency.
show you, like, we have a curtain also.
That's what the
like
same
you can-
exactly, the pullover.
Each and every window having a separate curtain also.
So basically, what he did is he not only has is doing an awesome thing that by doing a business, but also making sure his clients are also comfortable while traveling, especially, which is the best thing.
Yeah,
But
that's our main motto.
yeah, that is we'll see that a lot of people, they will take money, but they will not give the service what is they expected. Like they will just go for the vehicle.
What I'm thinking, if I'm getting a money, then I will definitely fulfill the requirement. The person who is spending a lot. So if you are spending a lot of money, then you must be deserve the same thing.
Yeah, you have to get the something in return.
Obviously.
Okay,
That is our
once
only
again, your
motto.
name is Rohit, right?
No, my name is Sumit Mehta.
Sumit
I'm from
Mehta.
Delhi.
Yeah.
And my company name is Kesar Holidays and Travels, and my number is 96544 70527.
Awesome.
So call me anytime, and if you're interested to see the glamour or see the luxury trip,
Uh-huh.
so you must come and visit with us.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.